British manufacturers helicopter. This so world military idol, especially South Korea and Philippines. The British government must commit to a future military helicopter procurement program for Leonardo to maintain Yeovil production facilities, a senior company official told reporters in early July. Speaking before Farnborough Airshow, managing director of Leonardo Helicopters UK, Jeff Monday, said the current AW159 Lynx Wildcat and AW101 Merlin facilities need to be followed by a new type to ensure long-term viability of production sites in southern England. In 2016, Leonardo signed a special partnership agreement with the Ministry of Defence (MOD), but no commitment to buy or to run the program in the future. It's up to the government to decide what future programs are going to launch, but we as companies need commitment from them before we can commit to Yeovil, Monday said. Monday will not be interested in what future procurement might take, but he notes that the initial commitment to the Rotary Wing Unmanned Air System (RWUAS) unmanned helicopter program for the Royal Navy can be consistent with the bill. The RWUAS commitment that can come in the next 12 months will help, he said. While applying for the government's commitment to Yeovil, Monday is keen to emphasize that his comments are not as ultimatums, investing, or Leonardo pulls out, noting that, "We are not in the business of saying, do this by date or we will go." With AW159 export orders for South Korea and the Philippines, and AW101 orders for Norway still to be met, Monday said Yeovil currently has jobs until 2020. And this can be extended with further orders expected. For Leonardo Helicopters UK, this issue is more of a design and development of future platform than a straightforward production.